welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is gonna be a pack with me for my vacation because I'm going on a Disney cruise. Well, I'm going on yet another Disney cruise. My family and my parents, and we all just kind of loved it, and I think it's such a good way to relax on break, and I love Disney so much. It's like one of my favorite animations. So yeah, I'm so excited to take you guys along. I'm literally going to be vlogging. This one is a 7-day cruise. The last one we went on was a 5-day cruise. So it's going to be much longer, much more content. I'm so excited to take you guys along, but this video is going to be everything I do to prep and pack for it. I'm filming this on March 31st, and it's currently 9:14 p.m. We leave on Friday, April 4th, I believe, but then the 5th is when we actually board the cruise, but we leave for Florida on the 4th. I'm filming this right now because I just got a package from Shein, and I wanted to show you guys. Also, guys, peep the messy room. I'm gonna clean my room like tomorrow or something, but right now I need to study for my APE test, so I'm not gonna do that right now. But I just wanted to show you guys what I got from Shein. Just a disclaimer, guys, I don't shop from Shein very often, maybe like once or twice a year, but for bikinis and stuff, it's so hard to find affordable bikinis. So I bought a few little things for the cruise, so I'm gonna show you guys right now. Okay, first I already opened this, but it's like this like blue tube dress. We'll see how the color looks on me. It might also be a little bit too big because I know like some of their stuff from Shein is kind of big, but this is what it looks like. First bikini set I got are these little bottoms, this ribbed one. And I'm hoping this fits me. Okay, next bikini I got is this one. This triangle bikini is so cute. And then I got the matching bottoms to go with it. They just look like that. I got another top. Oh, this one is actually so adorable. Look at it. It's like floral and pink. Oh my god, I love this one so much. And then I also got a cover up because I thought this would be a cute outfit. And we'll see how it looks, but wow, that seems really, really big. And then lastly, I got a freaking one of these suction cups or whatever, Octo Buddies, but mine's fake. And I needed this because my last one, I started like anxiety picking all of them off. And I wanted another one for my cruise so I can make TikToks for the cruise. So let's put this baby on. My phone's kind of too small for it because I have like a mini. Okay, but this works really well. And that is my haul. And I'll see you guys tomorrow as I study for my APE test right now. Hey guys, it is now Wednesday. We leave Friday morning. It is Wednesday at 9 p.m. And literally, my room, as you can tell, is still a mess. I haven't even started packing for this 7-day cruise of mine, but you know, I don't feel like doing it right now either. So if you're thinking I'm gonna start packing right now, you're wrong. Because I have my APE test tomorrow and I need to be studying for that because guys, I've been locked the freak in for this APE test. So if I fail it, I'm basically gonna cry. I made my whole like review guide. I'm not even done though, so I have to be doing that right now. But because I wanna actually kind of get some stuff done for packing, I'm gonna make a packing list with you guys because I think if anything, that's what I need to be doing. Okay, so I'm making my packing list right now. Packing list because I'm most definitely gonna be forgetting something. Clothes, obviously. Camera battery. Oh, my Von Dutch hat. Also guys, I went to the mall today and I got a dress, but I'm too lazy to even go downstairs. Like that's how little motivation I have to pack or even do anything. So yeah. Oh, I want to bring my glasses, my fake ones, and also my sunglasses. Oh, my eczema cream, just in case I like lash out. Not lash out, what? I mean, like I know like all the necessities like makeup, skincare. Oh, hair accessories. What hair accessories do I need? I'm probably gonna make a headband, bows. Oh, my iPad. I guess I need my iPad. I think that's it, guys. Thank you for making my packing list with me. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow as I cram my last minute packing. Just letting you guys know, I can't pack on Monday because that's when we leave. So I have about like 5 hours after school to finish packing, basically. We are on the floor now and I cleaned all of this up, and if there's still mess on the floor, it's because I'm bringing it all to my cruise. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I'm going to bring. Let's start with my tops. Okay, a checkered blue top, and it's like this gingham print. It's so freaking cute. It's from Brandy. I have to cut the tag. Next up, I have a cover up. I don't know if I'm going to wear this as an actual top. I might. Oh wait, I showed you guys. I showed this to you guys. Next is this other Brandy top. Super cute as well. Although I do think it's a little bit big on the sides, but I'll figure out a way to make this work. Next up is this. I found this in my great grandma's house, and I snatched that thing up in seconds. But it's a really huge scarf looking thing, but I'm going to make it like a top like this. And then I have this button up. It's from Addicted, and it's yellow, and it has pinstripes on it. Oh, I'm also bringing another white tank top. Very cute. Oh wait, I'm also gonna bring this one. This one's from Yes Style. It's just like a gray ribbed, more athletic tank top because I think we're gonna do something a little more sporty. I'm just gonna bring this t-shirt. It's Stitch, and I thought it was very fitting for Disney. And then I think I'm gonna bring this brown one. I got this in Korea. Very cute. I'm gonna bring my little Stussy shirt. Stussy Tokyo. Moving on to bottoms. I was looking for these for like 5 years, and I finally found them like 5 minutes ago. They're these shorts from Sweet Benedict. These jorts from Urban Revivo. These shorts from 21 Denim. Very micro. These Brandy pinstripe shorts. Maybe these shorts? Not sure. Or I might just bring these ones. Next is dresses. I'm bringing 2 dresses because there's one like semi-formal and then one formal dinner day. This one also from my grandma. Like, guys, I literally like half these clothes are from my grandma. I'm not even kidding. But this one, it has these like green flowers on it. So freaking pretty, and it's strapless, or it could be with straps, but I think I'm gonna go strapless. My Aeropostale dress that I got yesterday, and it's so pirate core. Like, I literally love it. She's so cute. Look how cute that is. I feel like it gives pirate, and then I could also wear it for like the semi-formal dinner day. So next I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna bring this bag. I don't know if everything's gonna fit in here because I kind of want to bring a lot of stuff, but I'm gonna speed run everything that I'm gonna bring. Let's go. Lip marker, eyeliner, blush, mascara, mascara fixer, brush, concealer, another concealer, primer, palette, brush, clips, lip, brush, brow gel, eyeliner, powder, lip balm, bronzer. Wait, I actually am bringing a lot of stuff. This is not okay. And lip balm. Okay, that's it. I'm limiting myself. I can't be bringing this much. And I'm probably not I'm probably not even gonna use half of it. Okay. That's my makeup bag. Next, I have this bag, which kind of just has all my necessities. I have some hair ties, like some small hair ties. I have a small moisturizer. I have another moisturizer. Lash serum, cleansing foam, pimple patches, sunscreen. I'm gonna put it in here. And tweezers. And then I also have this invisible tape because I'm wearing a lot of like strapless stuff. Okay, and then I have a lot of contacts, which I don't know if they're gonna fit. I'm gonna try to just like jam it in here, because... Okay. Got everything in this little lemon bag. Okay guys, out of the shower. Nothing changed, I know. I'm wearing the same thing still. Next, I'm gonna pack my jewelry. I think I might carry the Sol de Janeiro bag. Little shell necklace. Take some simple hoops. Thicker silver hoops. I'm definitely not gonna wear half of this, by the way. Thick black headband. This little pearl earring. My Vivienne Westwood necklace. These little gold, like hair. They're like hair accessories, but I thought this would be perfect for the pirate night that they're gonna have. Oh my god, my sunglasses. I'm bringing these ones. And that is everything. No, I'm kidding. I'm not done yet. By the way, time check. It's 10:20. Whoa, it's 10:20. Oh my god, I told my mom I was gonna go to bed at 10, like 5 minutes ago. I thought it was like 9:20. Okay, I'm over here now. I'm gonna bring this bag. Kind of huge. I got it in Japan. It's actually ginormous. So I'm bringing my iPad because I need to be able to like upload photos on here. My makeup bag, accessories bag, and my skincare like self-care bag. I have my glasses in my little case, and then I have my little charger bag. I'm gonna bring my iPad charger. I'm gonna bring this to plug in for my camera, and then I'm bringing my SD card. Boom. Okay guys, I've just like looked over my list, looked around the room. I can't think of anything else I need. If I do, I'll just like remember it in the morning. But I think I'm gonna hit the sack now. It is 10:30 and I have to wake up in 4 hours at like 3ish, so I'm gonna get 4 hours of sleep tonight, but that's okay. Our flight leaves in the morning. I think I'm gonna vlog that and put it in this video as well, so I'm gonna see you guys in 4.5 hours. Good night guys, I'll see you tomorrow morning. Freaking 3:30. Good morning everybody. We leave. I'm so tired, like it's not even like explainable. Like I woke up and I feel dizzy. Like this is how tired I am. Anyways, I think I'm gonna put on my fake glasses. Okay. And then my hat. Okay, bye guys. I'm gonna vlog at the airport because I'm so tired right now. We're at the airport now, 4:13, and I want to die. 360. Spin. Tell me. And I also got a grilled cheese, which I'll be eating.
Why is life good again?
Okay guys, I'm in the rental car now because we're driving to the Kennedy Space Center right now because we've never actually been there. So yeah, this is where I'm gonna end the video. Thank you guys for traveling and packing with me and getting ready with me for this trip. I'm so excited. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye, Keen.